Hi, I'm Carissa from the Customer Education team, and today I sat down with Diego to learn how to make sure that your user attributes are properly set up using the debugger.
All right, so I'm on the HJdebug mode page. The query parameter is an easy way because you just type it in and you refresh the page and it loads the console logs. However, for people using single page applications, or if they're tracking, for example, a user funnel and they want to check that the events are being sent on each page, this will not work because it'll be missing once they move to the next stage. So if they want to check if an event is sent without refreshing the page, they should use the cookies mode.
Okay.
Because that one will persist across different pages. So as an example, I have the support sandbox. So the steps to enable it, rather simple. You go to applications, cookies, and then you click the URL of the page you're looking at. Then double click here, HJdebug, press enter. Then you type true into the value, press enter. And now, if I go back to the console and refresh, we have the logs. The debug logs are helpful to check events because they will appear in the logs and user attributes will appear as well. Let's say number 12345, text Diego, include an email, test@test.net, submit, and this is the command for the attributes. If the structure doesn't look like this, basically, then that would be helpful for them to troubleshoot.
And there you have it. The HJdebugger helps make sure that your user attributes or events are coming in properly once you have them set up. If you have any other questions about setting up the user attributes or how to use the user attributes properly, head to our Help Center or Hotjar Learning for more information. Until next time, happy hotjarring!